Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making a Harvey Wallbanger. This comes together very quickly and easily, and it's very crushable. So one too many and you'll be banging off the walls. Now hop on the couch and let's open up. We'll start off by making a simple syrup. This recipe does call for vanilla liqueur, but we're just gonna make a simple syrup and add some vanilla extract instead, because I imagine you don't have vanilla liqueur at home. Let's just start off by making that simple syrup, nice and simple. 1/4 cup hot water, 1/4 cup white sugar. Just stir to dissolve. We'll start by adding a 1/2 ounce of the syrup we just made. And this cocktail is super easy, just gonna build it in the glass, don't even need a shaker tin. Just toss everything right in. And this cocktail is actually named after some guy named Tom Harvey, who apparently after a few too many started banging off the walls. So let that be your warning. It goes down real easy, and just don't have too many. Next I'm gonna add some orange juice. So I've actually freshly squeezed this about 10 minutes ago. Of course you can use whatever OJ you have at home. If it's store-bought, that's fine, but this will be more delicious with fresh OJ. Oops, maybe don't spill. But yeah, anytime you can do fresh, it's always better. But if it's, whatever you have at home, that's fine too. So I added 4 ounces of that fresh OJ, and I'm gonna top it with ice. And I'm gonna add a couple drops of vanilla extract on top so you get that aroma. Just a couple there. Nice. And then I'm just gonna give it a really gentle stir. Now that's a Harvey Wallbanger. Cheers. Oh, yep.